Hi guys! Let's see how to enable hibernation in Windows 10 using command prompt. Powercfg is one of the sophisticated tools that are supported by Windows 10 in general. With the help of this practical command line program, users may control numerous computer-based power plans or schemes. The user may customize or disable a number of power-related functions with this program, as well as create, amend, and remove power plans on the computer. This step-by-step tutorial will demonstrate how to utilize the command prompt's Powercfg utility to enable hibernation in Windows 10. First, open the command prompt in administrator mode. For this, open the Start menu and search for the term command prompt. In the search results, right-click on the app and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type in the following command to confirm if hibernation is supported on your system. If Hibernate shows up in the available states on your computer, then you will be able to enable the feature. To enable hibernation on your Windows 10 computer, type the following command in the command prompt. Once the above-mentioned steps have been followed, the hibernation mode on the Windows 10 powered computer will be enabled. You can follow the same steps and change the word on to off to disable this mode. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.